Class activity number 8, modeling with equations and inequalities. Question number 1. Find three consecutive integers whose sum is 126. Consecutive means the numbers in order, like 4, 5, 6, 2, 4, 6, 1, 3, 5, the numbers which go together. Integers means -1, -2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, full numbers. Sum when you add all these numbers. How many numbers? 3. So we suppose the first number is x. Second number is x plus 1. Why plus 1? Because the difference between the integers is 1. And the number which comes after second integer will be x plus 2. How? We add 1 in it. X plus 1 will give us x plus 2. So we have supposed three numbers. Now, if we add these three numbers, we should get 126. Open the brackets. X, x, x. How many x's are there? 3x. Plus 1 plus 2, 3 is equals to 126. Move 3 to the right side. 126 minus 3 will give us 123. Divide both sides by 3 and you will get 41. So it means our first number is 41. So the next number will be 41 plus 1, 42. 42, 41 plus 2, 43. So 41, 42, 43 are our numbers. Question number 2. Find three consecutive integers whose sum is 915. Again, we suppose that the first number is x, second number is x plus 1, third number is x plus 2. When we add these numbers, we should get 915. Remove the brackets. We'll get, add all the x's, 1, 2, 3. 3x plus 3 is equals to 915. We move 3 to right. Plus 3 will go right, minus 3. 915 minus 3 will give us 912. Divide by 3 and our answer is 304. The first number is 304. The next number 305. After that 306. So here are our three numbers. Question number 3. Find four consecutive integers whose sum is 454. Now we have to find four numbers. First number x, next number x plus 1, next x plus 2, next x plus 3. So we have supposed four numbers, and when we add these four numbers, we should get 454. Remove the brackets. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4x plus 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6 will give us 454. Move 6 to the right side. Plus 6 will go right. Minus 6. 454 minus 6 will give us 448. Divide by 4. The first number is 112. So if we have the first number, we can find second, third, and fourth, which are 112, 113, 114, and 115. Question number 4. A rectangular bedroom is 4 meters longer than it is wide and has an area of 45 meters square. Find the dimensions of the room. So this is a diagram of the bedroom. We suppose that the length is x plus 4 and the width is x with the given area of 45 meters square. Area 45 meters square, width x, length is equal to x plus 4. Area of rectangle is equal to length times width. We put these values in this formula and we'll get x into x plus 4 is equals to 45. X times x, x square, x times 4, 4x is equals to 45. Move 45 to the left side, we'll get minus 45. Solve this equation using factorization method. Means we need two numbers. When we multiply, we should get minus 45. And when we add, we should get 4. So the numbers are 9 and minus 5. We can check 9 times minus 5 is minus 45 and 9 minus 5 is 4. X plus 9 is equals to 0. X minus 5 is equals to 0. We'll get two values. X is equals to minus 9 and x is equals to 5. As width cannot be negative, length or width cannot be a negative number. So we delete x is equals to minus 9 and we take x is equals to 5. Hence, width, that is x is equals to 5 and length is equals to x plus 5, as x is 5, 5 plus 4 is equals to 9, and these are the dimensions of the room. Question number 5. A rectangular flag is 4 meters longer than it is wide and has an area of 21 meters square. Find the dimensions of the flag. The diagram of the flag is given here. We suppose the width is x and length is x plus 4. Area 21 meters square given, width x, length x plus 4. We do know the area of rectangle, which is length times width. Put these values in this formula and we will get x times x plus 4 is equals to 21. Simplify it, x square plus x times 4, 4x is equals to 21. Shift 21 to the left side, we'll get minus 21. And again we have a quadratic equation and we will solve this equation using factorization method. You can use quadratic formula. So we need two numbers. When we multiply, we should get minus 21. And when we add, we should get 4. So we check 7 times minus 3, minus 21. 7 minus 3 is 4. X plus 7 is equals to 0. X minus 3 is equals to 0. We'll get two values. X is equals to minus 7 and x is equals to 3. Move 3 to right, plus 3. Move 7 to right, minus 7. As x cannot be negative. Why is that? Because x is the width of a rectangle. Length or width cannot be negative. So we take x is equals to 3 and we delete x is equals to minus 7. Hence, width, which is equals to x, is equals to 3, and length, what is x? X is 3. 3 plus 4 is equals to 7. Linear inequalities. Solve the linear inequalities and express the solution using interval notation and graph the solution set. So first we have to solve and second we have to graph. These linear inequalities are same like linear equations. So part A, shift minus 5 to right. Minus 5 will become plus 5. 3 plus 5 will give us 8. Divide both sides by 2 and we'll get x is more than 4. And how to graph? Minus infinity to plus infinity, I have taken only few numbers. 0, minus infinity and plus infinity are must. Few positive numbers and few negative numbers. 4, and draw a circle above 4 and leave the circle empty, blank. Why is that? Because there is no equal sign. So more than 4 on the right side. If we go left, the numbers will be less than 4. More than 4 are on the right. Part B now, 5 plus 3x is less than or equal to minus 16. Move 5 to the right side, minus 16 minus 5 will give us minus 21. Divide both sides by 3. X is less than or equals to minus 7. So the number smaller than minus 7. On the real line graph, minus 7 is here, and then go left. Part C, 4x minus 7 is less than 8 plus 9x. It is same like linear equation. So we will keep the variables on one side and numbers on the others. So in this part, I have kept the variables on the left side and numbers on the right side. So move 9x to left and minus 7 to right. 4x minus 9x is equals to minus 5x is less than 8 plus 7, 15. Divide both sides by minus 5. 15 over minus 5 is minus 3. X is more than minus 3. Now we have to sketch it. Minus 3. Draw a circle above minus 3. Keep it empty or blank because there is no equal sign, and more than means we go right. Part D. Minus 1 is less than 2x minus 5 is less than 7. We have to find the values of x. So how to solve this question? By keeping x in the center alone. We have to solve it for x. So we want only x in the center. So minus 5, the opposite of minus 5 is plus 5. So add 5 left, right, and in the center. Minus 1 plus 5 plus 4. 7 plus 5, 12. Divide all the inequalities by 2. 4 divided by 2 will give us 2. 2 divided by 2, 1. 12 divided by 2, 6. So x is more than 2 and less than 6. And here is the graph of the inequality. Make sure you keep the circles blank for minus 2 and 6. Part E, minus 3 is less than or equal to 3x plus 6 less than 9. We want x in the center. So we do the opposite. Plus 6, we subtract 6 from left, right, and center. Minus 6, minus 6, minus 6. Minus 3, minus 6, minus 9. 6 minus 6 cancelled. 9 minus 6 is 3. 3 is multiplying with x, so we divide left, right, and center with 3. Minus 9 over 3, 3 over 3, 3 over 3. Simplify this, we will get minus 3, x less than 1. Now the graph of this inequality. Draw a circle above minus 3 and above 1. There is equal sign with minus 3, so fill the circle. Leave the circle above 1 blank. In the end, join these two circles with the line. Part F. Minus 2 is less than 8 plus 2x is less than or equal to 16. So again, the same way we did part A, plus 8. We subtract 8 from left, right, and center. Simplify this, minus 2 minus 8. Minus 10 is less than 2x is less than or equals to 8. 2 is multiplying with x, so we divide by 2, by 2, by 2. Simplify this, we will get minus 10 over 2 minus 5, 2 by 2 cancelled, 8 by 2, 4. Draw a circle above minus 5 and draw a circle above 4. This equal sign, so we fill the circle and leave the circle above minus 5 blank. Finally, join these two circles with the line.